Now, it's another crazy one. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. How? I've done something wrong. There is clearly something wrong here. Find where the mistake is. Welcome back to another lesson. I hope you enjoyed that last video where I showed you that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. If you haven't come across that video yet, then you can click the link right there and it will take you straight to the video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. To start with, we are going to write down 1 is equal to 1 because that's a fact. 1 is equal to 1. And then we are going to rewrite this part. We're going to write 41 minus 40. Because 41 minus 40 is 1. And on the other side, we are going to do the same, but with 61 minus 60. Because 61 minus 60 is 1. Next, we are going to rewrite 41 in the following way, using square numbers. 16 plus 25, because 16 plus 25 is 41. And then this is just going to come down here, so we're going to have minus 40. Over here, we're going to do something similar. So 61, we're going to rewrite again with square numbers. We are going to have 36 plus 25. And the 60 is going to come down like it did with this one. So we're going to have minus 60. So far, so good, right? Now, the 16, we can rewrite this as 4 squared. And the 25, we'll have it as 5 squared. And the 40 can be written as a product of these numbers by doing 2 times 4 times 5. The dot here is signifying multiply. So over here, we can do the same thing. 36 is 6 squared plus 25, which is 5 squared. And once again, 60 can be written as a product using these two numbers and multiplying by 2. So 2 times 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. So just in case you're wondering what these numbers mean. 4 times 5 is 20, times by 2 is 40. Next, we have this very interesting equation now. I want to take you back to something where we have our brackets like this. And if you expand this bracket, so you have a minus b and a minus b again, what do we get? We multiply a and a, giving us a squared. We have a times minus b, and then minus b times a, which is 2ab. And then we have minus b times b, which is plus b squared. In other words, we can write a squared plus b squared. So we take this first and put it here, and then minus 2ab. So in the same way, we can look at the 4 and the 5 as our a and our b, just like we can with the 6 and the 5 there. We can look at the 2 times by our a and b, just like we have there. So we can put all of this into this form, like that. So what will it be? It will be 4, our a, minus our b, which is 5 with a square. So that is representing all of this. Same way, we can put this in a bracket. So 6 minus 5 squared. So this is where we're at. Next, we can do the opposite of the squaring, which is to do the square root. So we're going to square root both sides, giving us 4 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 5. Now, I'm going to take the minus 5 over to this side, or just simply add 5 to both sides. It's probably easier to explain like that. So I'll have 4 is equal to 6. If I add 5 to both sides, or take the minus 5 over there, and then we add on the other side. So I have 4 is equal to 6. Now I can just divide by 2. So I get 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, that equals 2, and that is equal to 3. And obviously we've got 2 here, which is written as 1 plus 1, and that's equal to 3. So here I've proved to you that 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now this time, I want you to do one of two things, or both. First of all, I want you to tell me where I have done something wrong mathematically, and I want you to fix it. And if you know what the answer is, write in the comment section below. Bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed that one, Algebros. Oh, and before we go, please drop this video a like, subscribe to the channel for lots of content that's real, not like this, for GCSE maths, A-level maths, and also Key Stage 3 maths. Bye guys.